Here I have HUAWEI Nova Y70, and today I'm going to show you how to activate camera audio control on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have audio control. You can set it to say keyword like cheese to take photo, or just speak loudly. So let's try out this cheese feature. Let's give it a try. Cheese. And as you can see, it works perfectly. Cheese. 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 Oh. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.